from Maryland Volunteer Lawyer Services, also known as MVLS, and he will be speaking about legal services around housing and other things.
Hey, everybody. Thanks so much. My name is John Kern. I'm with the Maryland Volunteer Lawyer Service. I'm actually going to go without a PowerPoint. I think it'll be a little bit better. So who is MVLS? We are one of 4 legal service providers in Baltimore City. And the way the program works is if any of you were to take and pass the bar in the state of Maryland, become an attorney, you are highly encouraged to do 50 hours a year pro bono legal services, right? So free legal help for folks. You don't have to, but you're encouraged. But the trick is, how do we get all these volunteer attorneys to connect with people that really need the help? And that's where we come in. So we're like a dating service for people looking for attorneys in a way. We just do civil legal services. So criminal stuff, remember, if you can't afford an attorney, then you get a public defender. Everything civil, like you see on Judge Judy, Judge Joe Brown, all those kind of cases, people have to go to court by themselves. 85% of people in Maryland go to court by themselves. So that's where we come in. We have all these volunteer attorneys. We can connect folks with those attorneys, and we do all these civil legal areas. But the one that really is important for today is estate planning. And Patricia mentioned deed issues. And this is where the rubber really hits the road with estate planning issues. So the situation in Baltimore City, like a lot of cities like ours, is that we have a lot of multi-generational families living in the same house, right? Grandparents, kids, the kids' kids, the dogs, the puppies, everybody's in the same house. The grandparents pass away, and if their name is on the property, if they're the original homeowners, that a lot of folks think the house passes automatically, and that's actually not true. You have to open up the estate of those folks that passed away, and you have to move that property down to the next generation. So if you fail to do this, we call it a tangled title, and that means that the deed is still in the name of the folks from that original generation. And that is really tricky because all of these home repair programs, Patricia mentioned the homeowner's property tax credit. So the property tax credits, all of those things, they only really function if you are the legal homeowner, if your name is on the deed. So it is very, very important to do all the proper estate planning and get ahead of this. So that means doing a will, doing a financial power of attorney, doing a healthcare directive, and really importantly with the home, preparing what's called a life estate deed. And that just means you get to name somebody that the house passes to after you pass away. So we have a series of homeowner clinics that we've been doing for the past year and a half. And basically it's a telephone clinic because of COVID. We used to do these out in the community. It's all over the phone. It's a 1-hour consultation with one of the volunteer attorneys, and they'll answer kind of all questions, legal, home, health, right? And just talk through. Then if you need to get legal documents prepared, that attorney can take you on full representation and prepare those documents for you. So we have all the attorneys ready, so folks can call us at any time to get connected. But also if they want to do the homeowner clinic, it was originally scheduled for January 26th. Because of the way this year started and COVID and everything else, we've moved it back a month. So it's actually going to be on February 22nd. It's something that I want to get folks registered for. It's very easy to register. It's a call directly to me, and I'll do a short intake over the phone and get homeowners all signed up for that. So my contact information is going to be in the chat. If anybody has estate planning questions, what's a will, what's a financial power of attorney, what's the deal with my deed, anybody can call me at any time and I can talk them through that and then ultimately connect them with the volunteer attorneys. So thanks so much. This is a great project, and I'm so happy to be a part of this.
Thank you so much, John.